Last year pa yan eh. Di ba dapat final nila last year? Wala eh. Ginagamit nila yung COA. Humingi. Hanggang makahanap kayo ng anong pwede namin gamitin. And all because we are in this fucking mess. All because gusto ni Martin Romualdez mag-president. Hindi siya makontrol ng presidente natin. Na hindi marunong mag-desisyon. Walang decision-making skills at all. Zero. We are wasting time as a country on what we need to do